Among their people, a few young believers held firmly to the truth of one Allah. When pressure rose around them, they chose faith over comfort. They left the city quietly, seeking safety rather than surrender. As they walked toward the mountains, their hearts turned to Allah alone, asking for mercy and guidance.
They reached a cave and prayed, "Our Lord, grant us mercy and set our affair rightly." Then God covered them with a deep sleep. Time passed beyond their awareness, days becoming years. Light moved at the entrance while they remained protected, their dog resting at the doorway as a quiet guardian. When they awoke, they thought they had slept only a day, or part of a day. They chose one companion to go quietly to the town with silver coins and buy pure food. But the world had changed. The old money and his cautious manner drew attention, and their hidden story began to surface.
God made their matter known so people would realize His promise is true and that resurrection is real. Some argued about their number, but only God knows best. People debated what to build near the cave, yet the lesson remained. Do not chase the unseen with guesses. Speak with humility and say, "If God wills."